Hey guys, welcome to our channel K-Hub, and in today's video we are going to see how we can create a Java project in Eclipse. So first you must have Eclipse in your PC. So here you can see I have Eclipse, so click on that. It will start the Eclipse ID. So initially we need to set up a workspace in Eclipse. So here you can, this is the default path for the workspace, and if you want to change that you can click on the browse and go to your relevant folder and you can create your own workspace. So I'm giving just the default one and launch. So now it will initialize our workspace and it will start the IDE. It takes some time to open the IDE. So we are here now inside the IDE. You can see several tabs and several other links here in the main interface. So first, if you need to create, now let's see how we are going to create a Java project. So you need to click on file and then click on new. So you can see there are so many stuffs. Initially I need to create a Java project, so click on Java project, and we can give a name for our project. So I'm giving it as first, since this is our first project. And here you can see there is a checkbox that I'm using the default location to save my project, and if you don't want the default location and you want to browse it, you can click and select your relevant folder where you want to save your project. And then you can see that we have selected the JRE 1.8. so this can differ according to your requirements. So this is the default JRE that I'm going to use. Also, now let's click on the finish button. So now you can see our project first is created here. So I'll just close this tab. It is so annoying here. So now we have our project first, and you can see still there is no files inside the source folder. So now what we have to do is we have to click on the source folder. Right, we have to right click on the source folder and we have to go to new, and you can see inside that we can create whatever we want. So if you need to create a package, then you can click on package, or if you need to create a class, you can click on class. So I will show you how to create a class today. So you have to press on class, and so if you don't give any package name, so it will definitely go into the default package folder. And here you can specify your class name, so I'm giving it as hello. And then modifiers, you can select whatever the modifier you want and you can click on the finish button. Okay, we have successfully created our file, that means Java file, inside our project first. So this is all for today.
So, if you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get more updates. And please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you.